ready to ditch the drab and light up your life. Today, we're tackling Temu LED lights and turning any room into a dazzling display. First, let's gather our gear. You'll need your Temu LED lights, scissors, a measuring tape, cleaning alcohol, paper towels, and optionally, adhesive clips or zip ties for extra support, and please, always unplug the power source before working with any electrical components. Safety first. Next, prep your surface. Clean the area where you'll be sticking the lights with rubbing alcohol and a paper towel. This removes any dust or grease, ensuring a strong adhesive bond. Now, measure the area you want to illuminate and cut your LED strip to the correct length using the designated cut lines. Be precise. Cutting in the wrong spot can damage the strip. Peel off the adhesive backing and carefully stick the LED strip to the clean surface, pressing firmly as you go for tricky corners. Make small cuts in the backing to allow for easier bending. For added security, especially on uneven surfaces, use adhesive clips or zip ties to hold the lights in place. These will prevent sagging and ensure a long-lasting installation. Finally, connect the LED strip to its power adapter and plug it in. Voila! Instant ambience. Many Temu lights come with a remote or app connectivity. Play around with the settings to find your perfect vibe. Experiment with colors, brightness, and different modes. And there you have it. With a few simple steps, you've transformed your space with affordable and awesome Temu LED lights. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy DIY projects.